Today we are making pork tenderloin in our air fryers, my friends. We're gonna grab some pink salt. Alternatively, you can use Celtic salt. Just don't use table salt, okay? Then we're gonna add some paprika. This is such a quick and easy rub. Onion powder. I highly recommend not skipping this step, my friends. Some garlic powder. And then we're gonna just give everything a good mix. You can absolutely double and triple this recipe and just keep this in a spice jar because it is that delicious. Then we're gonna grab our pork tenderloin. I got this from the butcher box. I will leave a link below if you wanna save some money and try it out for yourself. I am not sponsored, my friends, but I do have a link, and I am removing this very tough membrane. So once you have it trimmed to your liking, take a guess what we're gonna do next, friends. Yes, that's right, we're gonna put our rub on. We are going to rub this in. That's the key here. You have to rub it in, and then we're gonna set this aside. I'm not showing that here because I'm not gonna make you wait a half an hour. I wanted to show you this incredible wireless meat thermometer. This company reached out to me to send me this sample, and I have to say, I really love it. So you get a thank you for your purchase. There's an instruction booklet, friends. I didn't really read the instruction booklet because it was that easy. Well, okay, I'm lying right now because I could not figure out how to get started with this. So definitely read the instruction booklet. So you turn it on, then it's going to prompt you to download the app. It's a free app, and this is very important. It tells you insert the probe past that point. That's important because you don't want to damage this probe. So I downloaded the app, really easy, found the device, connecting, perfecto. So now it's been at least 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm gonna grab the black one out. Of course, I washed it. This is how you charge it. Definitely charge it first, friends. Ask me how I know. No, seriously, ask me. So we're turning it on. And then remember that we need to insert this probe as deep as it goes, my friends. Put it all the way in there. And so it's pretty simple. I just put it right in the center of the pork. I have never used a wireless thermometer before. And now once you go wireless, you just can't go back. Trust me, friends. So then I'm gonna grab the app, open it up, and you can see it's 90.5 degrees. I'm setting it to pork. I changed the temperature to 135 degrees. Then we are going to apply our glaze. So I'm putting it in my air fryer basket, set it for about 20 minutes. Now we're gonna make the glaze. And friends, this is so good. We're gonna add some coconut sugar, some honey. I really like Manuka honey better, but this one's a lot more liquidy, so it's just easier for this recipe. But I do really love organic and raw unfiltered honey. So, oh, and if you were like, I really want this recipe, Tara, I have a website. That's right. Head on over to my website, www.diningwithtara.com. I will link it below, and print this recipe, or you can even make it on the website and click the keep phone on, and your phone will not turn off. So here I am adding lime zest and lime juice. It is so good. So now you can see I suddenly had an apron on. And so I am applying this incredible glaze. And of course, I want to get it on both sides. You probably want to double this glaze and just have it handy because you can even like dip the pork in it. I would probably heat it up just so that the sugars, meld a little bit afterwards, but you're gonna love this glaze, trust me. So once it's applied, we don't want to put it on like throughout the whole cooking process because there's sugar here, friends. Even though it's not refined sugar, it's still sugar and it will burn, which is what I wanted. I wanted it to burn a little bit, and look at this. This was so incredible. Be sure to let it rest for at least 5-10 minutes. I will see you in the next one, my friends.